tayo mo lumabas yung mga ano.
Stop overcomplicating e-commerce. Most people think that they need to go come up with their own product, build their own website, and run ads to run a profitable business online. But in reality, this couldn't be further from the truth. The business model that I run allows me to sell high-quality brand name products like Nike and Lego. And the best part about this is that these products are already selling over and over online. This business model took me from making no money out of college
Kasi kung makulangan, hindi, may isip pa.
Banta ko sa dalom na.
Enemy UAV overhead. Hostile UAV in the air.